This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Donna Hardy. Open house on Saturday, May 15th from 11 o'clock to 2 p.m. Tenant occupied, so showings are limited. Spacious 3-bedroom, 2-half-bath townhome with 1-car garage. No behind neighbor, large backyard, like no other. Tot lot just steps away from your front door. Spacious master with walk-in closet, separate double sinks in the master bathroom. 2019 water heater, 2018 Bosch Dishwasher, 2016 new AC. Washer and amp, dryer conveniently located upstairs. Don't miss the opportunity to add your special touch and make this home yours. Great location, convenient to highways, shopping and restaurants. Low HOA, lawn care and cable included. Walk to the Seminole Palms Park. Close date on or after July 1st, tenant occupied. For more information, review the details below or contact Donna Hardy at 561-981-9400.